Hello, welcome to Brer Rabbit. It's my first go at a YouTube channel, first go at a YouTube video, so bear with me here. Just wanted to say hello. I am Andrew Schelling. I am 35 years old and live here in Wallowa County, Oregon, the very northeastern tip next to Idaho, near Hell's Canyon at the base of the Eagle Caps. It is a very interesting area to try and garden, grow produce outdoors. Zone 7A. About 4,000 feet, so not too bad, but it does get cold here, and it does make things challenging. So I will give a little tour of the plant room, which I'm sitting in right now. As you can see, I do garden mostly outside in the growing season, but I have decided to try and grow roses this year, and have been very successful at taking cuttings and getting them to grow. So I enjoy growing things from seed, and learning how to do that, stratification, scarification, and providing the right conditions for that germination to be successful. So hopefully I can maybe share some of that knowledge with you so you don't have to struggle like I did, but struggling is good. It does help you learn. So let's commence our little tour here. I'll start off with our trees. First we got our little Tatarian maple. It's from kind of Eastern Europe, Central Asia area. This is actually 1 year's growth and mostly under artificial light, which is absolutely amazing. So as you can see, it's about along my forearm. Got a wild rose here, looking good. I've topped that a couple times. You got some elephant ears, which are actually taro. Some more cuttings of a dragon plant, cuttings of a orchid. We've got more roses. These were actually up the street at a house for sale. The only thing living in the yard were the roses, barely. Got a couple of lemon trees that I started from seed this year. And a lot more roses. Got rosemary, ginger, western juniper. We have a silver birch, I believe. You can tell by the pubescent hairs on the stem there. I don't know if that camera picked it up. We got some hollyhock of various colors, black magic petunias, more roses. I believe some of these are peace. I know that those are rugosa. Got a lilac pulled up out of the yard when I was mowing the lawn. These were from the local park. They were growing underneath a bench. Snagged them. We got some herbs, more rose cuttings, parsley, mint, basil, more roses, more silver birches. These guys actually came out. They were kind of freebies. Found them germinating, and then yeah, that'll be another one. We just had the false indigo, Baptisma australis. False indigo grow. We got 11 of those guys going. We've got some sweet peas. Those are kind of just for fun. We've got actually some of the rhizomes from a peony. We got some nectarines over there germinating. This is the orchid. Looks a little sad, but it's kind of how they go. It's growing, doing really well. It's got a new shoot on it. Got some root shoots. We've got a nice jade plant, some elephant ears I need to transplant, more peonies, more dragon plants, stone crop. So yeah, that's kind of the room right now. I just lowered everything. I've got a mirror underneath this set of trees and taller plants. I'm trying to get everything down to about the same level. As you can see, I've got a mixed light here. This guy goes red, blue, and white. So I've been running a lot of UV light on these guys. It keeps the bugs and the bacteria down, the yeast down, the fungus down. Had a really bad problem with fungus gnats, as you can see. I've just been stirring the dirt, keeping it pretty dry, and running a lot of fans. I've also got a bunch of volcanic soil that I believe works really well for this. It's kind of a secret little ingredient that I have. This stuff just kind of breaks off. It's Mount Mazama ash. It's what made Crater Lake. There's a bunch of places I can find it down in the canyons, down in Hell's Canyon. And this is basically solid compressed ash, or loess. So it's a great soil additive. It is, especially to, you know, I can just kind of do that, and it actually keeps all of my white mold down. Do a little bit on the leaves even. It is acidic, but our water's really basic, so that helps. Next video will be a tour of the outside, which is actually directly out here. Got a nice side yacht that we'll be able to do quite a bit with. So that'll be exciting. I hope that you guys can follow along, and we'll see how successful we can be. So it is middle of December right now, and in a couple of months we will start really germinating and getting away at stuff. So we've got a nice, pretty nice big room. It's the door, obviously, it is kind of a wreck right now, but we'll get it going. So thanks for watching if you guys did the whole video, and we'll see you next time. Bye.